If you're drowning in debt and feeling overwhelmed, don't worry. In this video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process to achieve financial freedom. So let's get started. First, it's important to face the reality of your financial situation. Gather all your bills and credit statements to understand the full extent of your debt. Assess your income, expenses, and create a budget that allows for debt repayment. Next, set clear goals for getting out of debt. Determine how much you owe and create a timeline for paying it off. Break it down into smaller, achievable milestones that will keep you motivated along the way. Now, it's time to make some tough choices. Cut unnecessary expenses and adjust your lifestyle to live within your means. Cancel unused subscriptions, eat out less frequently, and find creative ways to save money, such as shopping at thrift stores and meal planning. To speed up your debt repayment, find ways to increase your income. Take up a side gig, freelance, or ask for a raise at work. Every extra dollar you earn can go directly towards paying off your debts. Choose a debt repayment method that works for you. The snowball method involves paying off the smallest debts first, while the avalanche method focuses on debts with the highest interest rates. Pick the strategy that suits your personality and helps you stay motivated. Consider negotiating with your creditors to reduce interest rates or consolidate your debts into one manageable payment. This can lower your overall monthly payments and make it easier to pay off your debts in a more organized manner. If you're struggling to make progress on your own, don't hesitate to seek professional help. A credit counseling agency can provide guidance, negotiate with creditors on your behalf, and help you develop a personalized debt repayment plan. Remember, getting out of debt takes time and perseverance, but it's possible. Stay focused, make saving a priority, and celebrate each milestone along the way. With determination and these steps in mind, you'll be one step closer to financial freedom. Thank you for tuning into Debt Free 101, a step-by-step guide to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice.